Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Backblaze and how this online cloud backup service can help you protect the files on your Windows or Macintosh computer. Backblaze is one of the major companies out there like Carbonite that offers a cloud-based solution to back up your items. You always have the options to copy your file to cloud-based services such as OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive. The unfortunate thing is that with most of these products, you really don't have automatic backup service. That's where a product like Backblaze comes in. We're going to switch screens like we always do and take a look at Backblaze. Backblaze offers unlimited backup, and the great thing about it is that you get a free 15-day trial, and you can pay $5 a month starting. One of the features that makes Backblaze a little bit different than Carbonite, which I am always talking about, that does cloud backup, is that with Backblaze you can pay monthly. Carbonite wants all their money up front, but if you are budget minded and you want to pay a small amount each month, then Backblaze is the product for you. Backblaze gives you unlimited backup, just like Carbonite does, but you can pay monthly. So scrolling through here, as it says, it gives you unlimited online backup, so you can back up. You can back up your computer. You can even back up your attached external drives. You can also back up your files for fast, which if you've got high-speed internet, then that's kind of a no-brainer. But anyway, as you can see here, the easy-to-use interface on a Dell, but the interface would look similar on a Macintosh computer, allows you to pick up your own backup schedule. You can tell it to back up continuously, meaning that you're backing up as you save files to your computer, or you can set your own backup schedule. The great thing, too, with Backblaze is that you can restore files from the cloud backup, making it easier for you to retrieve your data. You can access all of your files from apps that are available from an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android, which is very important. So if you just want to be able to look up a file that was backed up on your computer, you can download the Backblaze app and you can download those files directly to your smart device for instant use or for instant viewing. You can download your files anywhere in the world, any computer in the world. You can also have the information mailed to you if you need those files in an emergency. One of the challenges with cloud-based backup systems such as Carbonite and Backblaze is that if you lose your information, it could take days or even weeks with an unlimited backup service. So the good thing with Backblaze is that you can call them and have them ship to you an external hard drive that has all your information on it so that you can get back to working or doing what you do on your computer immediately. They're staffed 24 hours a day, and like I said before, you can schedule your backups, and you can restore your backups up to 30 days. So that's a good thing to know, just in case you lose your backup. You can definitely restore that stuff up to 30 days. Now, also, Backblaze has a business plan. If you are using your computer for business, you can back up your information $50 a year per computer, which is a pretty good backup. Just like Carbonite and just like the home version of Backblaze, you get unlimited data backup. You get continuous backup. One of the important things that you should realize too, you get protection from ransomware. Doesn't necessarily mean with cloud backup services that the backup service is going to protect you from ransomware. It's saying that if you happen to get ransomware on your computer, then you can easily restore your files back to the point before the ransomware affected your computer. So keep that in mind. If your data is important, cloud backup service like Backblaze will definitely give you a cloud backup solution that'll keep you protected from all sorts of threats. And then the other thing too for business backup, if you've got a server or a NAS, which I can't even get the words out. You can get a NAS, which basically is a network backup system, just like here. So Backblaze offers a very robust cloud-based services that's guaranteed to keep all of your information safe. So it doesn't matter if you need personal backup or business backup, or if you need cloud storage, you can use Backblaze as the product that you need in order to back up your data. So check it out and keep your data safe. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. If you have questions about Backblaze or any other computer tip, we'd love to answer it for you and help you get more from the technology that you use. Speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's tons of videos there that are designed to help you get more from the technology that you use day to day. And be sure to follow us on social media. We're keeping you up to date with the latest computer tips and tricks and the latest cybersecurity alerts. So check us out on all the social media channels. Well, as always, folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.